Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome to a brand new video on my channel. And I'm here with Lewis Noakes over here. He's down for the weekend, so we've made a start on the EP3. Today is all about my EG6. Now if you're new to the channel, you may not even have ever seen this before, but this was the car that made me start doing YouTube. And yeah, it's been completely apart, and it is a complete rebuild, this thing. It's been a very long labour of love, and I can only apologise for that. YouTube doesn't reward taking your time, so that's part of that. But today we're going to be doing nut and bolt check, bleeding the brakes again, and just trying to sort the dashboard out. The dash is earthed wrong, we think, because it doesn't work properly. Yeah, we're going to make a start, jack it up, get the wheels all off of it, and yeah, just have some fun. We've got lovely weather here today in England, so we're going to make the most of it and crack on with the cars. So, first job for us today is going to be bleed the brakes on the car. They're still feeling a bit spongy, so I wanted to bleed them again. So, we'll do that now, but we need to find the correct stuff to do it with, because Lewis wants to do it as like a home-built kit.
Just an easy way.
What we're using is part of the washer jet from this car. I'm just going to buy a new one. So we're using part of the washer jet, an old bottle of Coke, and then we're going to half fill that bottle.
Half fill the bottle. That pipe will go in the bottle below the level of the fluid. We'll crack the nipple and then pump.
Pump.
Yeah, and keep topping at the front as well.
Sweet.
Need to rehydrate.
Okay, so that is that job done. Annoyingly, a couple of the rubber caps from this spoon caliper's missing, so I might have to order up 2 more of them just because my OCD will go crazy. But it's not the end of the world. Next up, we're going to try and work out why the dash doesn't work properly. I'll just show you what I mean by doesn't work properly. Okay, so let's start this bad boy up. So when I turn, sorry, that's the engine mount from the exhaust. Got bad boy engine mounts in it now. So when I turn the lights on, the revs drop and the fuel starts going up. Look at that. The indicator light is on permanently. You can see that? And that's just when I turn it on. Then when I turn it off, it all goes back to normal. Another job as well for me soon is to get all of the rest of this out and then paint in here. Yeah, so I've got to do that at some point. So, oh, and also I need to go and collect my door lock, because I have got one of those up at Honda Nuts to go grab.
Now if we put the lights on, that should stay around 14, but I've got a feeling it's not going to. 14. Right, okay, so we know that's okay, alternator's good.
So, it's not an alternator problem, which is a good thing. I think it's probably wiring or earthing, so I guess we'll get the dash like bit out and have a look. I'm going to take this all out. I'm going to be very careful because these break so easy, and I super don't want to have to replace this because it's flocked. You can see it's already damaged up here anyway, so it doesn't matter that much, but I really would rather not break it. I was very sensible because I watch a lot of the old Goon Squad now and see they use these things all the time, so I got myself a set. So we're going to take the dash apart with this, and I don't really know which one to use, so I'm going to use this scooper one.
This one.
She's out. Let's put that in the back gently because I really don't want to break that. Cool. I don't know if anybody's noticed too, but we've put the old JDM coin pocket back in. Look at that little bad boy. You can't get this. You can't get this, sucker. So I only had 2 wires clipped into the back anyway. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this front bumper off because I want to put my spoon lip back on and take the backyard special one off. Put that just out of the way for a little while. So I'm going to crack on and do that. So I've fitted the spoon lip back onto the front bumper. I might send that away for paint again at some point, but I feel like we should go use the car. I really want to do some track days this year. Lewis's cappuccino's nearly finished, so I feel like I'm not going to be able to wait the whole year while I save for the next track car, so we'll just risk this for a while. I really don't want to risk this, but we will. So we've got the spoon lip going back on. This one's pretty damaged already because you know, even though you lot don't think I did, I used to drive this pretty hard before it went away for the restoration, basically. So that's back on. Lewis is starting the nut and bolt check at the back. I'm going to chuck the bumper back on and then start doing the front. I've already seen there's some split pins missing, which I'm going to have to obviously get hold of at some point. I'll pop to Halford's or something. I need to go get him some more food anyway. So, oh, what are you looking like that, Finner? One thing I adore about the spoon front lip is that it was like molded to fit, like by spoon. It wasn't guessed. It fits beautifully. I absolutely love it. Oh, it looks so good again. Hell yeah! Nice. We still can't work out why the loom and all that's not really playing up properly, but we're gonna have to look at that another day. I think it's doing Lewis's head in, so I appreciate him helping me out on his chill weekend down here with us. So yeah, I've polished up the radiator a little bit, CFS radiator. If you fancy one of these, check out 621. It's available on there. So I'll leave that linked in the top comment as well if you fancy one of these. But everything you basically see on the car is available through us. So if you need anything, just let me know. Yeah, sick, super sick. I lost my fill sticker for the. Boy, look at that. It looks so good with the spoon lip on. Wow. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Right, tighten up the wheel bolts and there she is. It looks cool, doesn't it? To be fair, they do look good. I just wish they worked properly.
Yeah, we can sort that.
So yeah, there we are. The Civic looks great. I do think it's only fair to take it on its maiden run on this private lane. So yeah, here she is, my my long old project. So I just hit Vtec for the first time in this car in 3 years. It's actually felt great. Definitely needs an alignment. The front wheels are catching on the arch, which is a little bit annoying. But I might go and see if we can get some like extended arches maybe, I don't know. We'll have to work something out, maybe put some more camber on the front maybe to get it to work, because I'm obviously going to run these wheels in this setup. But yeah, it felt good, and I think the spoon lip looks amazing. Oh man. Oh, I'm so happy. But anyway, we're going to just check, because the brakes felt a bit spongy still. Check the new lines that I had put in to make sure they're not leaking. But yeah, overall it felt wicked, and I hope you guys like that little rip. Okay, so you can see that one that Lewis has got a span around is leaking a little bit. So that was definitely causing the brake issue. But it's no drama, we can sort that. And he calmed down there, Lewis. so glad I got to have a little go in it. I'm glad Lewis forced me to, because I wasn't going to, but yeah, that was really fun, and I'm really wanting to sort out these front arches now so I can actually go and rip the car around. I think that'd be so good. It's gonna be so much fun. We just need to sort the dash out. Don't really know what the issue could be, and that's the weird thing about it. And so if anybody's had this issue before, let me know. It could help me out maybe. Do you need to get out? Are you trying to get out?
You get my gut out. There's some wires as well here.
Yeah, they are for the heated windscreen that I've never wired up. Okay. So I don't know how. Yeah, that feels wicked now. What a car, man. Right, so the next stage will be sort out all this interior.
In winter, come on.
No, I'm going to do it soon. I hate the winter. In the winter, I don't leave my house. Even though I've done loads this winter.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, I haven't left my house. I've been down here before Christmas.
Also, we have an issue with one of my ARP studs, and it's a wreck. So we're gonna have to get that out, which is really annoying, but luckily I do have more, because I'm a hoarder and I just have way too much stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna have to bang that out, which I don't really want to do, but I will anyway. And yeah, that shouldn't be too hard though. But overall, I'm really happy. Lewis, thank you so much for helping, dude. Like, genuinely, like, really appreciate it. So, the car is basically ready to go now. All I'll probably do is, as you'll come around here and see, I hate how this wiring loom is just here. Like, it shouldn't be there. I don't know why it's so messy. So I'm going to have to relocate this for my own mental health. But I don't really know what to do. I don't know how to relocate the fuse box. I don't know how to relocate a battery. So that's going to be all a learning experience, I think. But there is my little Japanese ripper, and I hope you like it. So we're going to try and get this ready, all the lines set up. I'm going to talk to some guys about setups on these, and I've also ordered some new side indicators for it because one of them's broken. Just little bits and pieces like that, but I'm glad I'm kind of back in the rhythm of it. I also need a new window washer thing. I need a new one of these because this is broken. So if anybody has one of them, let me know. I'll ask Barney actually at Honda Nuts. He probably has one of those laying around. Basically, the plan is to try and enjoy this year. I'm gonna give you guys a heads up now of what the plan is. So now this is kind of back. I'm gonna kind of use and abuse this. And if anything goes wrong or anything gets wrecked, then I'll just sort it out. Then the plan is to film the whole build of this without posting anything, because obviously I don't do this full time. I have to work a normal job too, and I don't want to lose my hobbies and all that sort of stuff. So this is all going to be done and filmed. Hopefully we're going to have some sponsors for this car too, and we're going to be able to smash it out, and I'll be able to upload a video like 5 a week of this. That's the idea. Whether it happens or not, I don't know. That's off soon as well, to have more work done on it. The EP should be gone in the next week or two, fingers crossed. And the MX-5, I just need to get the ABS sensor sorted on that, and then that's mum's. So yeah, we're almost at a level where we have one car that we're working on and others just to maintain, which would be amazing. And then I can get back into more reviews. So make sure you check out my reviews, because I do go quite in depth with them, and I think they're great. I think they're great because I think I'm great. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you again in another video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please hit subscribe if you don't already, and leave the video a like so I know you've enjoyed. See you later. Peace.